Hedera price analysis and what's next for HBAR. We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in everything around HBAR. Let's talk about the latest market growth. Bitcoin. Stocks soar as markets respond to chants of US and Israel-Iran war ending. On Tuesday, reporting from the Wall Street Journal said that President Trump told his aides that he could consider ending the war in Iran, with the Strait of Hormuz remaining partially closed, but an official statement has not been given. Unconfirmed reports also suggest that Iran's president is looking for a way to exit the conflict, with certain assurances being made by the US and Israel. Regardless of the accuracy of the statements from either president, the Dow gained more than 1,125 points, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ gained 2.91% and 3.83% respectively. Despite the strong performance seen across markets, analysts reported that crypto traders are skeptical of Bitcoin holding its current gains. Analysts suggested that a daily close above the 50-day moving average and $68,879 are key to establishing an early trend change and potentially clearing overhead short liquidity, which could trigger a liquidation-driven rally to $82,000. And now let's talk about Hedera price analysis. Hedera Hashgraph is back in the headlines, as Hedera price flashes red flags, with HBAR trading near $0.089. A critical decision point sits just overhead, and how price responds in the coming days could determine whether HBAR finds footing or accelerates toward deeper losses. According to recent analysis, HBAR has formed a controlled downtrend, with lower highs from roughly 10 cents earlier in March, and 24 of 32 technical indicators currently flashing sell signals. The Fear and Greed Index has cratered to 8 over 100, an extreme fear, while only 13 of the past 30 days closed green. The broader crypto market hasn't offered much shelter either, with macro bearish momentum weighing across major assets. For HBAR specifically, the April price action around the 0.093 to 0.095 trend decision zone will likely set the tone for Q2. And can the Hedera price recover to 10 cents? Or is a drop to $0.065 next? HBAR is currently navigating a technically fragile range. Price is sitting near $0.0876, barely holding above the immediate support at $0.085, a level analysts describe as the last meaningful floor before a more serious breakdown. The 7-day SMA sits at $0.0906 and the 30-day SMA at $0.0944, both serving as overhead resistance that the price hasn't been able to overcome. Momentum indicators confirm the weakness. RSI 14 is at 36.53, neutral to weak, while RSI 7 days has compressed to 24, technically oversold. Oversold doesn't mean buy, though. It means sellers have been relentless. Volatility sits at 3.5%, keeping daily ranges tight while maintaining the downward bias. 3 scenarios are in play heading into April. Bull case. HBAR reclaims the $0.095 trend decision zone, stabilizes above the 30-day SMA, and targets a recovery towards $0.10 to $0.13. Base case. Price consolidates in the 0.088 to 0.10 range as sellers and buyers reach a temporary equilibrium. A holding pattern, not a recovery. Bear case. Failure to hold $0.085 opens the door to $0.06, $5 to $0.075, with some models flagging $0.060 as the worst-case floor under sustained selling. Do you think HBAR will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer. This video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on HBAR in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.